Hey, I'm Patrick with Everbond RV Roof Sealant. I'm going to show you a quick series of demonstrations to show you how our all-weather RV roof sealant holds up against the leading competitors currently being sold on Walmart shelves.
Self-leveling test. We apply a strip of RV sealant directly over EPDM rubber, the most common surface used on RVs today. Next to it, we will apply the Everbond RV roof sealant. We will wait about 2 hours of drying just to see how each one self-levels. As you can see, Everbond self-levels very smoothly down to a nice even surface. Durability test, hammer test. We strike each product with the edge of a hammer, simulating the RV getting driven underneath a tree branch or something of that nature, where to see how it holds up under extreme pressure. We then apply water to the product to see if it leaks. Obviously, you can see the Protec went right through. Everbond held strong though. It did not cause any sort of water to penetrate through the actual sealant. As you can see, it's dried to the touch on the back there. Hot weather test. We heat each strip of sealant with a heat gun for 1 minute to test how well the sealant holds up under extreme hot weather conditions. We do this to simulate hot weather areas like Arizona, Florida, and other key states that have a lot of heat. As you can see, Everbond does not penetrate when using a Q-tip. We use a Q-tip just to show you how simple and how easy it is to actually scrape off our competitor's product. Stretch and twist test. Everbond is very strong and holds together nice and tightly as we stretch and twist it, which is exactly what you want when your RV is shifting and moving down the road. As you can see, our competitors' products simply pull apart by just placing our fingers on the bottom of the rubber, and it pulls simply apart. Thank you for considering Everbond as the next great choice for RV sealants at Walmart stores.